These are the elevators at the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Nokomis, Florida. Also, that's a red button on a Gen2. Let's go 4. Series 2 vandal resistant fixtures, installed in 2017. Here we are at 4. Let's go down to 1. The 1 is worn off. 1R is locked, as one would expect. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view, and we're stopping at 3. While we're here on 3, here's a look at a hotel hallway. Not really much of a view out here, but this is facing west towards the Gulf. Here's your other view facing east. That's a Wawa that's newer than this hotel itself. We got our elevator back, but it's going up. Let's see if it goes down. It may end up opening again. And it did, which, no big deal. Anyway, I was doing a cab view. Might as well do that real quick. £3,500 capacity. I think I already showed you the certificate. Let's send this one up and get the other elevator. Right here. Again, the call button lights up red, so you can tell that that's definitely been replaced. Let's go down to 1. And that'll be it.